Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we find ourselves at AutoCon LA. We're in the midst of setting up. This is like when it matters. We've been prepping for this moment for the past week, and I'm super excited to be here. Before today gets too crazy, I'm gonna walk you through our setup at the current moment. It may be subject to change, but I finally finished detailing the car. It looks pretty good. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it, so I'm pretty hyped on it. And as you walk down, we have the whole entire pop-up shop set up. We're getting Alicia ready to go. We're getting Sabrina ready to go. It's gonna be extremely difficult for me to stay up on everything. You guys know how it is. So Kevin's probably gonna be hijacking the vlog for a bit. I think everyone's gonna be hijacking the vlog, which is what I'm gonna be needing. Probably gonna have Kevin do some third-person filming so we can get as much footage as we can, because when I'm here, my #1 goal is to hang out with you guys and spend the time with you guys for the quick little minutes that we get to chat. That being said, I'm super excited and I can't wait to see you guys.
Dude, we're making the bro corner. We got Hut and Co here, right? We have Throttle here. We just got the okay to bring Legends here. So if you're not in this corner,
so we have a whole circle?
If you ain't in this corner, I don't know where you at.
Damn. I think the vendor that was supposed to be right here didn't show up today. So now we're gonna put Legends Media, Throttle, and Hunt & Co right here. So we have the whole entire corner. So that means all the true bros are gonna be spending their day right here with us. That's fucking awesome. While I'm here, I'm gonna walk the floor just a little bit to kind of give an overview of what's here, because I actually kind of want to see some of the stuff that's here. So all these are the LTMW cars. They're looking fucking sweet. Looking so good. I really wish that Evan did this to his car when he had his Cayman. This is probably one of my favorite rocket bunny kits that's ever been made. Holy crap. Yep, I'm gonna get one of these soon, eventually. Learning the truck life. See, that's what I'm a fan of. I like the GMs. I don't know why. The GMs have my heart though. I will say, if I never got a rocket bunny for my car, I've always wanted this Varus kit. I think it's by far the most aggressive out of all the wide body kits for the 86, hands down. And then of course we have the stage. Last year we had a talk on the stage, and this year we're scheduled for I think 6:30 today, so I'll be sure one of us films that. This is pretty cool. Getting able to like do a Q&A about your car and get to pull the car up there, and now they have like bleachers and stuff so you can like actually like talk to the audience. Really cool. AutoCon always stepping it up. They're actually doing an AutoCon in New York in I think a month and a half. I haven't told you guys this yet, but we will be there. So New York, we're coming for you next.
Like, take all the Mustangs I've ever seen. Take the Mustang from FD. Take all the Mustangs at FD. Put them all. Take all the Mustangs from FD and all the Mustangs from here. Put them all together, and they still wouldn't be as bad.
Serena's found her new favorite Mustang. This is actually dope. I haven't seen this before. It looks like a 4GT kind of in the back if it didn't have two taillights. It looks almost like a Ferrari rear end or like a 4G. I don't know what you'd call it, but it looks interesting.
So it's 12 o'clock right now. VIPs should be coming in, lining up. Coming in, I think they're coming in. And then 1 o'clock is like general admission, so.
The Dutton Co booth is lit, dude.
Dustin and I are gonna go check out, see how long this line is, see how crazy it's gonna get. Oh, they're starting to come in.
We gotta go.
I think we gotta go back.
Yeah.
So it's currently at the door, you can't really see that much, but I think the ticket booth or something is around the corner.
Are they open?
Yes.
All right, so we got VIPs first. We got VIPs for an hour, hang out with them, and then the general doors open, and then it's about to get crazy.
Because I want to have to check.
Yeah. Fins on the car right now, one of them got chipped. This is the owner of Rocket Bunny. This is Mira himself. So he's here and he literally is bringing me new end plates on the car, and we're literally gonna swap them out right here. Like,
as the show is
if that's not a crazy way to start today off, that's
he did that.
Yeah.
When we talk about his kit, this guy always has the sickest kit on. Like when he shows up.
Kit. Oh, I'm talking about his body kit.
I'm talking about his kit, like his clothes kit, like. But usually he's wearing a white jumpsuit, like a mechanic's jumpsuit at the show. This is a legend.
You have another one.
I do.
So, I don't know if you guys remember, but she draws a lot of things.
How are you?
Doing good. I have mine for you too.
Oh my
Dude.
Everybody gets something.
Don't tell me that's Alicia.
It is.
It's you too.
Your drawings that you make are like our favorite.
Thank you.
She always draws things. Look at that.
Stop. Hey, you got flip girl. I didn't give you a hug.
That's so, look. That is so cute. Look how cute that is.
Dude, she like every single time she always has
right?
great.
And they're all hung up in the shop. Except this one's going in my bedroom.
Thank you.
Which one? I did.
How cute is that?
Oh, and Blue's in there?
We're about to check out the line. I don't know how many people are in. Oh my God! I thought the line ended there, but it didn't.
I don't know how you get it.
There's a legend shirt there.
Hey, what's up, man? What's up, boys?
Get this.
Corner.
It's still going.
Oh my god.
I could run this thing. I could run miles around this.
See this guy, Tom? You see this guy? The doors just open, and my god, has it already started?
Yo, so we've been here, it's been like, what, 30 minutes now?
Yeah.
So dude, this is an 8-hour show. It's going over 30 minutes. The line starts here and literally wraps so far. What's up, guys? Hey, say what's up to the vlog if you want to see yourself tomorrow. What's up, guys? It goes so far. Hey, man, how are you?
Already wild.
You guys are literally always shutting shit down. Shout out to all of you guys watching. It's insane. You guys are fucking wild. All right, let's get back to it. I don't want to keep everybody waiting.
I'm waiting for it.
Dude, that is legit. 2 years ago at, was it Summer Solstice or was it Subi Fest? Subi Fest. This was like one of the first times I ever had an encounter with someone with the Hunko jet tag. Show him a jet tag.
And this one's going on my new car. I'm gonna buy a new, I gotta order a 2019 GT. Shout out to my mom, my biggest supporter. Shout out to my friend Brennan, who wanted to come to me. My biggest friend, my OG friends.
What are you bringing now, Mom?
Z33 rear fenders.
Is this from Mira?
This is from Mira. I just left it at my shop. My guy went over there and grabbed it for you.
Mira came over, hooked us up with those new end plates, signed it for us, and then also today surprised me with the rear portion of the Rocket Bunny for the Z. Currently we have like front Rocket Bunny and the back is another kit, Crown Carbon, and now we're gonna be hooking it up with the Rocket Bunny in the rear. Mira, thank you. That is so wild. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. What's
I
up?
want you to know, they came from Indiana. His parents bought plane tickets to come here.
What?
Yeah. We both watched the vlog.
Yeah.
I have a
got
17
info.
STI.
He's actually a bigger fan than him.
No, yeah.
Are you serious?
yelling at?
Are you serious? Are you serious? What is this? I'm not your senpai, Kevin.
I didn't write that.
Who wrote this?
I don't know.
It wasn't you, because that face is telling me that it wasn't you. Only Kevin.
That's your water, right? Is it yours?
You spelled it wrong.
I did. I did.
Shout out to Jeffrey Fan. He's missing out.
I want to be on the vlog. Heck yeah!
What's your name?
Let's pop. My name's Nick.
Nick?
Awesome, TJ.
If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to TJ. Let's get him to 1 million. If you get 1 million, you get a surprise from me.
Shout out. Follow my Instagram. Stark_G35 today. Hey.
4 hours later?
4 hours
Still around
later,
the corner.
the line is like still insane. I'm still alive, my energy, I'm like super tired. I ended up just skipping on lunch just so we can get more people through the line. But it's going good, dude. It's so awesome to speak to everybody. Everyone always comes up and they're still like super thrilled. Or I get like, yo, I saw you last year, it's good to see you this year. So being here is like my favorite thing ever. And I just try to absorb as much of it as I can. We're gonna go on stage in the next 20 minutes, so that should be pretty fun. Then we're gonna get back to the line and say what's up to you guys.
Where we going? Which way are we going?
So Rob Dom's up there currently with his 3-rotor. Once he does his Q&A and his stuff, And we're gonna pull Miley up there and kind of go over the build and go over all the stuff. So I'm pretty excited about it. If any of you that are watching this video now, if any of you filmed like the whole entire 30-minute clip, email it to me. I'd love to post it somewhere so you guys can watch it in the future maybe.
That was the end of the talk with TJ right now. We're gonna bring the car back to the booth, keep the line moving. You guys have been waiting so long and it's so amazing. Honestly, it's pretty humbling, but we'll keep it going as fast as we can.
Shout out to my brother Jonathan.
I'm delirious, but today has been unreal. Like, you guys are all great coming out. It's so awesome meeting all of you guys, and can't say thank you enough for waiting in line for hours and hours to come meet TJ and meet everyone. So thank you from the bottom of our heart. We're almost wrapping up here. Not done yet. Still got a few more people, but
like 1 or 1.5 thousand of you came through our line. I met every single one of you, so that was like my main goal. Thank you to everyone who came out, everyone who supported. We're doing more of these shows throughout the year. Link right now what I know. I'll give you guys a little heads up. We have New York coming up. We have a Seattle coming up. We have a Hawaii coming up. And I think I have to check more of the venues, but we have a lot of stuff coming up. Thank you guys so much, everyone who came out today. It's midnight right now. For real though, I'm gonna say this one more time. You guys absolutely dominated today. You guys go so hard when it comes to like meet and greets, and the support and love you guys bring like outmatches anyone. Speaking to all of you and hearing what you have to say and how much you guys enjoy the videos, man, like there's nothing more humbling in the world than days like today. All the stories and experiences that you guys share with me on days like today inspire me so much just to keep on pushing forward and doing whatever it is that I want to do. And it's awesome how there's a way where it's almost like an exchange of inspiration, which I think we need way more of that in the world. Wait, can we just touch on the fact that Mira of Rocket Bunny came by today and gave me Rocket Bunny fenders for the Z and like took a picture with me? That was crazy. As you guys can imagine, I'm like so dead tired. A little heads up though, we have some leftover stuff from today. We have like 30 more of these shirts in just I think XLs and larges, and with the baseball tees it's about the same. We have a couple posters left over, a couple things. I'm gonna throw that up on the website, thehuttoncompany.com, in maybe like 2 or 3 days if you want to be updated with that, because I know a lot of you are gonna be pissed when you find out this happened and you weren't aware of it. You must be following my Instagram, my Twitter, or the Hutton Company Instagram. Those are where you're gonna find the updates. We're gonna put them up and I guarantee it's gonna be gone quick. So if you guys want it, be sure to stay posted on that. Tomorrow's Monday. I'll probably take Monday off because I need to like catch up on my sleep. I need to catch up on everything before I burn out. So I know you guys will be understanding of that. Peace out and keep moving forward. And I'm feeling